Today I am continuing the class of deflection of beam. So now I am discussing some problems. In previous 3 or 4 days I have sent in your group some problems. So here from this problem, one of the problem is this. Okay, now problem number 4. So let us see the problem. Find out the maximum slope and deflection of a cantilever of length 3 meter carrying uniformly distributed load of intensity 5 kN per meter, that is 5 kilonewton per meter over the entire span. Take E equal to 2 into 10 to the 4 Newton per millimeter square and I equal to 6 into 10 to the 7 millimeter to the 4. So this is the problem. So we have to find out the maximum slope and deflection of a cantilever beam. The length of the beam is 3 meter carrying an UDL, that is uniformly distributed load of intensity 5 kN per meter. That is here small w is given. Intensity of load means load per unit length. So the small w equal to small w equal to 5 kilonewton per meter over the entire span. That is the UDL is through the outer length. Here two values are given. Capital E, that is Young's modulus, is given as 2 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per millimeter square, and I, that is moment of inertia, is given as 6 into 10 to the 7 mm to the power 4. So let us do the problem. Okay, at first length here L is given equal to 3 meter. So we have to convert it in millimeter. So it is 3000 millimeter. Now here small w is given as 5 kN per meter. So we can write it as 5 into 10 to the power 3 Newton per meter equal to 5 into 10 to the power 3 Newton per mm 10 by 10 to the power 3 mm, as 10 to the 3 mm equal to 1 meter. So actually this is as 5 Newton per millimeter. So now E is given as 2 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per millimeter square, and I is given as 6 into 10 to the power 6 to 10 to the 7 millimeter to the power 4. So this data we have to use. Now let us see. We know that theta here, find out the maximum slope. So we know that the maximum slope occurs in the cantilever beam is at the free end. For cantilever beam, the maximum slope is occurred at the free end, and deflection also occurred at the free end. So theta max, it occurs in the free end. So theta here we know the formula as theta max equal to WL3 by 6 EI. So putting the value 5 into L is 3000 cube, 6 into E equal to, that is given 2 into 10 to the power 4 into I is given as 6 into 10 to the power 7. So calculating, we can get the value as 0.01875 radian. As we know that the unit of theta, that is slope, is radian. So this is in radian. So 0.01875 radian. We can convert it in degree as it is very small. So we should convert it in degree. So in degree it will be as 1 degree and 4 minutes. In last class I have discussed that 1 degree equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So here it is actually very small, so we have to convert it degree and then minute. So the answer of maximum slope is 1 degree 4 minutes. Now we have to go for the next answer. This is the first answer. Now for the next answer. The next question is maximum deflection. So we know that the maximum deflection occurs for cantilever beam in the free end. So we also know the formula, that is y max or delta max. The formula y max or delta max equal to w, that is small w, l to the power 4 by 8 EI. So now putting the value, small w is given as 5 into 1000 to the power 4 into 8. E is given as 2 into 10 to the power 4 into I 6 into 10 to the power 7. Now calculate this value and we can get the value as 42.18 mm. So this is the second answer. That is, this is the answer of maximum deflection on a cantilever beam. So this is the total solution. So you study this carefully. Okay, this is a very important problem, as this is one important term, intensity. It is very important, that load of intensity. It is given in this type, that load of intensity. So it is actually the UDL per unit length. Okay, so study this problem carefully. Okay, thank you.